After you prepped your nails, apply 1 coat of natural nail base coat. Base coat is perfect to prevent yellowing, and it also helps your manicure last a little bit longer. Next, apply 1 coat of Put It in Neutral. This is a beautiful baby pink sheer shade. After allowing 1 to 2 minutes for the first coat to dry, continue with a second coat of Put It in Neutral. As you paint your nails, make sure you're capping the free edge along the way to ensure longer wear. For this look, I'm going for a creamy baby pink base, so I'm applying 1 more coat of Put It in Neutral to achieve that effect. Clean up any boo-boos with the cleanup brush and expert touch remover if you painted outside the lines. Next, we're going to use a detail brush and black onyx to paint like a squiggly line. This is going to be the base for your ghostie, and don't worry if it's not perfect, we're just getting the main shape down. It helps to create really wavy, exaggerated strokes to give that ghostie some movement. Once you've added the outline, use the bottle brush of black onyx to fill in that shape. This step isn't totally necessary, but if you want to just refine the shape a little bit, take your detail brush and black onyx and make your little ghostie head just a little bit more bubbly so that it's like super cute. Once that's dry, take some alpine snow and a dotting tool to add the little eyes. Allow the look to fully dry and complete the look with 1 coat of top coat. This is going to ensure that your manicure stays shiny and lasts up to 7 days. What do you think of these ghostie nails? Let us know in the comments below.